Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use the Amazon application as a complete beginner. I'm going to run you through some of the basics on how you can actually shop and sell on the Amazon app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in this video, we're about to simply learn to use the Amazon app. First of all, I'm going to open my app store. In the search box, I'm going to type in Amazon and then go ahead and actually simply update or download the Amazon app to the latest version. Make sure you have actually downloaded or updated this Amazon shopping application. I'm going to open it. I'm going to walk you through some of the basics such as how you can shop, how you can add products to cart or wish list, and how you can actually change your billing address. Maybe something many more which you might actually want to use in order to function properly on the Amazon app. Now basically we're going to simply skip the login and sign in process because it's very easy. You can watch the tutorial for that. You can go ahead and simply create an account very easily on Amazon. After you actually create an account, and based on the country you chose on your region, it is actually going to recommend you similar products. For example, you have some of the books as well. If you want to search for a particular product, in the search box simply type in and go ahead and simply enter any of the name which you might actually want to shop. Now if you want to add a particular product to a cart, what you could do is actually, first of all, I'm going to simply go ahead and select any of the books right over here. If I actually want to add a particular product or actually buy them, what I could actually do is at the bottom you have the option called add to cart. What you could do is simply tap on the add to cart button. If you want to set the quantity, you can simply tap on quantity right over here and then go ahead and simply select the number of books you actually want to buy. You can also add it to your wish list if you want by tapping on the add to wish list button right over here. And at the bottom you also have some of the reviews, maybe something of this product that other people have also posted. You could also go ahead and actually check for reviews from the similar publisher as well on this particular product. If you want to come back to the top, what you could do is simply tap on the back to top button as well. After that, what we could actually do is, if you want to actually go to your profile page, right over here you have some of your order settings, your wish list or your account. If you go to your orders, you'd basically be able to see a list of all of your orders which you have on your Amazon app. And then you can come back and then you can also go to your account settings over here. As soon as you go to your account settings, you have many options such as changing your addresses. Maybe what you could do is, if you want to change the address, tap on your addresses right over here. Then maybe you want to actually update your new address such as a billing address. You could tap on the edit button in order to edit that particular address right over here. You could also go ahead and actually remove an address if you actually want to remove them as well. You have the content and devices settings. If you want to actually log out from all devices, you could go ahead and simply review the settings here. If you go to the devices section at the top of the screen, you'd basically be able to see a list of all of the devices on which your Amazon account is logged in. You could also go ahead and actually manage your Prime membership right from Amazon app itself. You have the Amazon business account. If you actually want to sell on Amazon, you could tap on manage your seller account. You could go ahead and simply create a seller account on Amazon app as well. You have Amazon Pay, UPI and so on. But let's say that you actually want to change your region. What you could do is tap on the bottom right line icon at which you see this three lines icon. As you tap on it, you're basically going to be redirected to this page right over here. Now after you actually tap on the three lines icon, you're basically going to be redirected to this page. You want to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called settings. As you tap on settings, you want to simply tap on it and then you can see the option called country and language. You could actually tap on the country and language button right over here. You could go ahead and simply select any of the region or country which you want to. Now keep in mind that your currency on the Amazon app is also actually going to be updated according to the country you have chose. For example, if you chose India, you could see the INR. If you choose United States, you could see USD. If you choose Australia, you could see the AUD or the Australian dollars. Once done, you could simply tap on the save button right over here. Now basically it is going to actually take some time to reload the app. It could also force close itself. What you could do is simply close the Amazon app and then I'm going to simply reopen the Amazon app again. But this time you would actually be able to see products which are actually trending over the United States and based on the reasons which you've actually chose. So you could also go ahead and browse any of your favorite products if you actually want it to. If you want to visit your cart at the bottom right, simply tap on this cart button right over here to go ahead, and you can also pick up where you left off, or if you want you could also continue shopping. If you actually want a live support, you could tap on this chat icon and then go ahead and actually simply talk to the customer service if you actually want to shop, and just ask Alexa or maybe something else as well. If you go to the shop by department option, you have the option to actually shop by categories, and then you have also the customer service option, where you have basically the option to actually delete your Amazon account, maybe change your payment info, maybe change your login address, security and privacy, or also subscribe to ebooks, Prime videos or music, and also manage simply all of your subscriptions. If you want to actually deliver, order, or return, you could actually tap on it and then go ahead and review the items as per your wish. We hope this video solved and helped you in either way to actually run some of the most basic things on Amazon. If it was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.